Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. In fact, lemons may support heart health, weight control, and digestive health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake, RDI. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke.
Zero Fat TV. Think different. Zero Fat TV. Lemon. Presentation.
However, it's not only the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. For instance, one study revealed that eating 24 grams of citrus fiber extract daily for a month reduced total blood cholesterol levels. Plant compounds, found in lemons, namely hesperidin and diosmin, have also been found to lower cholesterol. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. One common theory is that the soluble pectin fiber in them expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. In one study, mice on a fattening diet were given lemon polyphenols extracted from the peel. They gained less weight and body fat than other mice. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and increasing urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Just a half cup, 4 ounces or 125 milliliters, of lemon juice per day may provide enough citric acid to help prevent stone formation in people who have already had them. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It occurs when you don't get enough iron from the foods you eat. Lemons contain some iron, but they primarily prevent anemia by improving your absorption of iron from plant foods. Your gut absorbs iron from meat, chicken, and fish, known as heme iron, very easily, while iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, not as easily. However, this absorption can be improved by consuming vitamin C and citric acid. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help prevent some cancers. Some observational studies have found that people who eat the most citrus fruit have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. Some researchers think that plant compounds found in lemons, such as limonene and naringenin, could have anti-cancer effects, but this hypothesis needs further investigation. Another study used pulp from mandarins that contain the plant compounds beta-cryptoxanthin and hesperidin, which are also found in lemons. The study discovered that these compounds prevented malignant tumors from developing in the tongues, lungs, and colons of rodents. The main fiber in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fiber linked to multiple health benefits. Soluble fiber can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugars and starches. These effects may result in reduced blood sugar levels. Not only are lemons a very healthy fruit, but they also have a distinct, pleasant taste and smell that make them a great addition to foods and drinks.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check this video out. Reishi mushrooms. Zero Fat TV. Think different. Scan QR code. The ruin of a nation begins in the homes of its people. R.J. Hamilton.